Hello friend, welcome you in Excel amazing and powerful video. In this video, I will explain you how to manage a bank data. See, if you working related the bank or finance department, then today practical is very useful for you because we are going to learn if you have a bank data in behalf you have to calculate EMI, total amount and interest rate. If you have to do this, then how will you do it? Normally you look at screen, I have ready a demo such as serial number, client name, loan type, loan amount, rate of interest, duration, EMI, total amount and finally interest. Everything I will cover in this video. Make sure watch full video full of information for you. Let's start this video. Normally, come to computer screen. First we add on all the columns such as serial number and client name because we providing which type of the loan to your client such as the home loan, personal loan and car loan. So here type loan type, then we type loan amount and then we type the rate of interest. Then we type duration. Duration means year. How much such as whatever the amount given as the loan. Here he will be return in monthly basis what will be EMI. If he pay EMI in every month such as ours 88838, if he return all the amount after 3 years, how the returns total amount in the 3 years? Then again here write total amount. We have our total amount. How much interest will it get? Here type interest. Select all range. Go to format and click auto fit column. It will auto adjust the column size required to the column. Please select upper row and click merge in center. If you want to give any heading, then give it. Here I will type bank loan data. Select middle and click on bold. Increase the font size. If you want to apply any color, then apply it. Here I'm applying the some light color and select the 3A cell to I3I cell. Click go to fill color and fill here some background color. If you want to change the font color, then you can change. If you want to bold your font, you can bold it. Please select your cell required as the data. Click on border, all border. Then your proper format is ready. Here we'll type the serial number, drag down, click autofill and middle, select and middle. Here we'll type the client name such as Rahul, Avinash, Pankaj, Deepak and at last Aman. Here loan type, it means as per they required, such as Rahul is required the personal loan and Avinash is required the home loan and Pankaj is required the car loan and again Deepak is required the personal loan and Aman is required the home loan. Then again here is the loan amount. How much loan amount is provided to your client? Such as Rahul is getting the 1 lakh rupees as a personal loan. Here Avinash is getting 4 lakh rupees as home loan. Here the Pankaj is getting 5 lakh rupees as car loan. Now Deepak is getting the 2 lakh rupees as personal loan. And here Aman is getting 6 lakhs rupees of home loan. Now the rate of interest is important term. You very well known as bank give a money. Bank have their own benefit. What is the benefit? It is the rate of interest. If you applying for any loan, then every bank have the different type of interest rate such as 11% of personal loan, 13% of home loan, 9% of car loan, and again 11% of personal loan, and again 13% of home loan. Company or organization will guide you how much interest rate has to fill or allot to the loan type. Here is duration. Here type how long you give a loan to the person. For example, bike or car loan. For bike loan or car loan for 2 years or 1 years or 5 years. The loan durations in years. I am typing the duration. 1 year, Rahul get the personal loan for 1 year, and Avinash get home loan for the 5 years, and Pankaj get car loan for 5 years, and again the Deepak get personal loan for the 3 years, and Aman get 2 years of home loan. EMI terms is a very important because we have to add on a formula here. Is equal to list. What is the formula? Listen carefully and watch carefully. PMT open bracket. Here the first I have to select the rate. Please notice the rate of interest is 11% in yearly basis, but we have to pay EMI in monthly installment. We have to divide by 12 because it will be reflect the equal to every month, and press comma and select the duration of loan. Here the duration of loan is 1 year, and multiply, because 1 year have a 12 months, so multiply by 12, and comma, here is asking the PV value. What it mean by PV? Simple word, PV is known as the loan amount. Here I have to select the loan amount and close bracket and hit enter. You will got your EMI here. Before all the EMI will get calculated. If you want to round it, please select and remove your decimal. I simply select it and drop down here. If I getting the negative EMI, then equal click, double click, and equal to minus, press enter and simply drag it down. We got the EMI here. Let's cross check once. Sometimes user have a doubt in Excel will we provide a correct amount or not. Please check it on Google. I have open a proper EMI calculator. Once calculate it, Rahul have a home loan amount of 1 lakh. Simply I am typing 1 lakh. The rate of interest is 11%, and simply I will type the 11%. The Rahul have to repay her loan in 1 year. So I will here type 1 year. See friend, here we got the loan EMI 8838. Move to Excel. We got, see friend, the Rahul personal loan for the 1 lakh. Rate of interest is 11%. Duration of repay loan is 1 year. The final EMI is 8838. Finally, EMI is 8838. Now, again the total amount. It means every month he will give the RS for 8838, and the amount has to pay last for 1 year. In 1 year, how many amount have to return? For example, Rahul has taken a personal loan for 1 lakh. Every month he paying her EMI is 8838. And how to calculate the total amount? For calculating the total amount, simply equal to select your EMI price and multiply by 1 year and multiply by 12 and hit enter. We got the total amount here. Simply drag it to down. And how to calculate interest, because the how much interest are earned by bank from me. Suppose that we got the loan for 1 lakh rupees, we have paid the EMI for 8883, total amount is 1,60,58. The here to calculate your amount interest, simply equal to total amount minus principal amount. It means your loan amount. Click enter and simply drag it and drop down. See friend, I will match this value with the Google EMI proper calculator. Let's open the Google. See friend, here is EMI is 8838. Total interest payable is 6058. And total payment for principal plus interest is 16058. Simply move on to our Excel. Here your interest EMI is 8838 and total interest from bank is 6058, and interest plus principal is 1,60,058. So I hope this practical is very helpful if you working in bank or finance company. How to resolve this question, you know it. Thank you for watching my video.